In a category that prioritizes opulent luxury, the 2025 Lexus LX600 is a robust and competent vehicle with a gentle disposition. The twin-turbo V6 delivers substantial power, while the four-wheel drive system, featuring low-range gearing and a locking center differential, equips the LX with genuine off-road capabilities. The LX offers a compliant ride, yet its handling lacks the sharpness found in competing SUVs like the BMW X7. Lexus has introduced the hybrid LX700H, reviewed separately, to the 2025 lineup and made some modifications to the standard features of the nonhybrid LX. All models now have enhanced safety technology comprising emergency steering assistance, a curved speed management system for adaptive cruise control, and an impending vehicle detection system. A heads-up display is now standard throughout the LX600 series as well. The LX's optional massage chairs may now be modified for intensity and can target specific body parts. The base trim level has been eliminated, leaving only the premium F-Sport luxury and ultra-luxury trims available. The highest-tier ultra-luxury trim now includes a standard wireless device charging station. The anticipated pricing of the 2025 Lexus LX is projected to commence at approximately $102,000 and escalate to $135,000, contingent upon the trim and extras selected. The LX600 features a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine, delivering 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. A basic feature is a 10-speed automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive system features a low range for challenging conditions. Nonetheless, the fixed running boards may be susceptible in severe off-road situations. The twin-turbo V6 delivers substantial power and the sophisticated demeanor anticipated in a luxury automobile. During our evaluation, the LX600 accelerated to 60 mph in 6.1 seconds, which is sufficient for the majority of drivers. The LX600 received fuel efficiency ratings of 17 mph in the city and 22 mph on the highway from the EPA, which may seem subpar but represents a significant enhancement over the prior generation vehicle. The LX exudes opulence, including a broad center console between the front seats that fosters an intimate cockpit ambience. The LX's interior has quilted leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped dashboard wood trim, and smoked chrome accents, creating a luxurious atmosphere. The front seats receive high ratings for comfort and are available with a massage function. Most configurations can accommodate up to 7 passengers over 3 rows of seating.